Hi, this is Diana Sullivan in Austin, Texas. I'm a machine knitting teacher. I get questions about these little credit card USB flash drives that I use. First of all, people ask me why I use them. I use them to hold a knitting book and 2 to 5 hours of video instructions. For my big seminars like this one, I use a high capacity one. Same size, looks the same, but it holds more. This one has about 25 hours of videos, plus a lot of other files, including a 100-page book in electronic form. These are such big files that it would take 12 DVDs to hold everything on here. It's so much data that it's not practical to send the files electronically through file downloads. These little flash drives are so easy to store. They fit in your wallet or an index card box, in a business card file, or even wallet photo sleeves. Because they're flat, they have enough room for a label. Open the flash drive. Hold it so the side that is mostly white is up. And you see these slots? That's where you press, and it pops open and swings out this tab. This tab has metal contacts on one side only, the black side. You slide the tab into your computer USB slot, and here's what happens in Windows. My slot is right here, so I slide that in. My computer will make a noise, and it opens a list of all the files. Now, what if it didn't do that? If you put it in upside down, it won't do that. So if I put it in this way, nothing happens. My sheep are still there. So I'll pull it out, put it in correctly, so that it once again displays all those files. If you have an Apple device, they usually don't have a USB drive, but you can get an adapter, and these work fine with one of those adapters. There are also adapters for smartphones, but I haven't tried one myself. Once the computer's reading the flash drive, it shows a list of all the available files on the drive. If you want to open one of the documents, let's pick one. How about this one? Let's Knit Raglan Session 2. You just double click it, and if you haven't picked a application for opening a PDF, it'll give you choices. Well, I'll just choose my browser, and here it is. I have the document here, and I have the pages over here. This is helpful. You can slide down here, find the page you want quickly. So it's a great way to navigate. You can also print from here. There's a little print icon, and here's a little thing that will give you a different view. And you can search these, I believe. I think you can do Control Find, and maybe I'll put in the word baby and see if there it goes. It went to the first time I put baby. And then I can click the down and see baby every time it shows up. I should have chosen a more uncommon word. But anyway, that's how to use the documents. You just pop them open in PDF. And if you like paper like I like paper, you can print them. Now, going back to this list, if you want to watch a video, I'm going to double click on a video. My Windows video player opens it right up. There's the title. This is a bonus video that I added to this one.
This is Diana Sullivan
now
in
I'm
Austin,
talking
Texas. I
and
think
moving
you're going
around.
to love knitting this new pattern. This is a sock made on any 4.5 millimeter knitting machine.
So that's how to watch a video. Now, if you see an MP4 file like this and you have some difficulty opening it, it will play very easily if you put the VLC player on your computer. I'm just using the Windows player, which nearly always works, especially on my USBs. But if you ever get an MP4 and have trouble playing it, I think you would like this free app that I use. I've got it on all my computers. It's VLC, and it just does a great job playing just about any kind of video. So that's another little tip for you. Anyway, thanks for watching. I hope the content was useful for you, and I will see you next time.